Did you know over 1 million people are earning real money just by playing games and scanning receipts? It's called Pogo, and it's changing the side hustle game. Here's how you can cash in too. With Pogo, your everyday actions become earning opportunities. Play rewarded games, scan your receipts, or breeze through quick surveys, and watch the points add up. Pogo is totally free, and with a 4.9-star rating on the App Store and 4.6 on Google Play, it's no wonder people love it. Inviting your friends? More points. Sharing your location? That's points too. When you're ready, cash out through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or Venmo. No hassle. It's only available in the US, so if you're here, you're in luck. Drop a comment and tell us what reward you'd choose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a money-making tip. Catch you in the next one.